How does that go?
I want to.
I'm going to go get him. You sing All I Want Is a Room Somewhere, and I'll get him. Okay, go ahead. Sing it. Two. I'm going to find you two. Okay, go ahead. Sing it.
I want is a room somewhere far away from the corner. Was running nowhere, aware, and that's lovely.
Lots of
truck for me to wait. Let's all go making lots of feet. Was running aware, and that's lovely. I want to.
That was very nice.
So pretty.
Open it.
You know how to open it yourself? Okay, open it and eat it. Let me see how you eat
Thank
chocolate.
you.
No, I'll save this one for later.
No.
No, Mom said only one, because you were sick. Just one. The one for later. What do you want to sing while you're eating that? What song do you want to sing while you're eating that? Wouldn't it be lovely?
Are you feeling better?
Did you tell Auntie where we went, who we saw? We went and saw Auntie Karen. Where does she live?
Chicago.
And what do we
We
do?
go see Auntie Karen.
Where?
I'm from Chicago.
How'd you get there? Did you drive? Did you drive or did you drive or did you flew?
I flew.
And when we left Auntie Karen, guess what we went for a ride on? Tell her.
A merry-go-round and a walking ship.
A merry-go-round and a rocket ship. Is that how you got back to where you were going? Didn't I heard you rode on a train?
Come on, Mary Train, okay?
Huh?
Come on, Mary Train.
You know, you're going to have to take that candy out of your mouth.
No, you'll have a mess. Let her just finish it.
Okay.
And then she'll tell you about the choo-choo. It was a big choo-choo, wasn't it? And Robin went on the choo-choo.
Go run.
Mm-hmm.
Like this. Choo-choo, off they go.
Yeah, how does that sound go?
Choo-choo, choo-choo, off they go.
Uh-huh.